Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 4.2 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to begin, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. For me, as an example, I'm just going to use the home screen, and you want to have it open and visible on the screen, and from there all you need to do is hold power key and volume up. That's for the first way, like so. You'll see the flash and then minimization, and also there's another way of doing it by holding the power key, and then you'll have right here a screenshot, so you just tap on it and it does the same thing. And then both of those screenshots can be found in your photo gallery right here. Just get that out of the way and get rid of all this spam. And you can see that there are two images right now in the category screenshots. But they're basically exactly the same because nothing has really changed between them. But yeah, that is how you would capture it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.